I'm going to show you how you can see your blocked user list on Instagram. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. All you need to do is log into your Instagram account and go to your profile right here at the bottom right. Then click this icon at the top right, and you will see, if you scroll down, you will see blocked, or you can also search it right here. So as you can see, I have no one blocked right now, but I'm gonna go unblock any account real quick. And now if I go here again, as you can see, here will appear the list of all your blocked accounts, and this will also include other accounts that person might have or create. You can also unblock people right here, or click the plus icon to block someone else. So this way you can block anyone you want, and there you can access your blocked accounts. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.